everyone, welcome back to another monthly planning video. As always, I'll start with my first journal for the year that holds all of my annual trackers. My mood and wellness trackers are up to date for October. I only did a few yoga sessions in October and no other workouts. I know it's because this was the month I launched my new website, blog and newsletter, which have all required more attention from me, so I've been quite busy adjusting to that. Towards the end of October, I did my 5 Kaizen lists video, where I talked about tiny things that you do every day adding up to more. And after reviewing all of those lists while prepping the video, my exercise activity actually went up. So I think it helped reminding myself that I just need slow, constant, continuous improvement for some of these things. I don't have any books to add. I've been on this book called Graceling for a long time, which I finally finished in October. I probably should have just DNF'd it. I have one film to add. My monthly moment spread is where I capture any memories, moments or milestones for the month. For October I finally got monetized on YouTube, so now I actually have a small income stream from YouTube and an affiliate income stream which also started up this month. I made a new stencil for my Etsy shop, launched my blog and newsletter. I'm really enjoying sending out the Sunday newsletters every week. It feels like quite a nice way to finish off the week. If you're a newsletter subscriber, let me know in the comments if you're enjoying it. If you haven't subscribed, you can find the link to my website in the description box below. If you sign up, you'll receive a weekly email newsletter with my latest thoughts on productivity, reflection, simple things, and I also share things that I've been reading or enjoying that week. I also have some things like homemade pumpkin spice lattes on here, board games with the kids, my baby Ray's potty training which is going well, lovely autumn walks, and the things that we've been watching on Netflix. Then on to my current journal for this year. The future log for November is pretty empty since we're still kind of living in lockdown here in the UK and we're not really making any plans. So I'll head straight over to my November setup. If you saw my November plan with me, you'll know I did a cozy candle theme. It was so nice drawing all of these candles. It makes me want to light loads of candles every day, and I like the emphasis on light over darkness that this theme has. So my intentions for November: 1, to make stickers, 2, to film my training course, and 3, track my time when I'm working so I can have an idea of how much time I'm spending on different things. I then update some tasks for the month, anything that comes to mind, like sorting out my external storage. Filming 4K footage can really take up a lot of space. Buying some jumpers for my son, and thinking about Vlogmas as well. Vlogmas is an annual tradition for vloggers on YouTube to post a video every day in December until Christmas, to get everyone into the Christmas spirit. I love Christmas and I do get really festive throughout December, but I just want to think through what videos I want to do. I'm sure you guys don't want to see a video every day, but I was thinking maybe a festive video every week could be good. What do you think? Then I put in some events and tasks. I write down the videos that I plan to publish every week onto sticky notes and stick them in each week. I later write these onto the actual page when I publish the videos, because often I change my mind about which video to do based on what I'm feeling that week or what's going on. Then I have my simple things list to remind myself of the simple pleasures to enjoy in November. I feel like I've already started some of these. Next, it's my mood board for November. I looked around on Pinterest to find images that represent the mood for November and printed it on some sticker paper. Similar to October, it's full of cosy vibes with candles, books and baking, nice autumn walks and toasting marshmallows on a fire outside, which I'm sure we'll be doing in the garden at some point. The pictures that I needed didn't fill up the full page of sticker paper, so I threw on some extra ones for the kids to use. They love spending ages trying to peel back the sticker paper and sticking it into their own notebooks. I also saved the bits of white space on the sticker paper so the kids can draw on it and make their own stickers. I love doing a mood board now. It really does set the tone for the month and gets you quite excited about it. My currently in November spread I set up with the new stencil on my Etsy store. I'll update this throughout November to capture the things that I'm watching, reading, learning, thinking and enjoying. This is a really useful layout for a few different types of spreads, and I just found that the stencil helped me get the circle in the middle with equal parts around it without having to measure them all out. And the 5 headers in between are really tidy when I do it with the stencil. When I've tried to do it by hand, it tends to get really messy. So if you're interested in buying one of these, I've shared a link in the description box and the cards above. Since my November setup was all about light, I did a Light Up Your Life spread. Here I'm listing things that can help light up my life. Some are physical things like lighting candles and being around positive, supportive people. Others are more metaphorical, I guess, like actively looking for the light around you, all of the positive things around you, or shedding light on a difficult situation by trying to look at it from a different angle. Thinking about the best possible scenarios rather than the worst case scenarios and attracting those. Or even using positive language, focusing on what you do want and like, for example, rather than what you don't. It can bring so much light into your life. Then I have my weekly spread, which starts on Monday the 2nd of November, so I don't need to write anything in here yet. I'll write my to-do list for Monday either the night before or on the Monday morning. After doing my weekly spread, I remembered I wanted a brain dump for newsletter and blog ideas, so I set up a spot for that and I've already started scribbling down some ideas there. And that's it for today. I love spending half an hour just filling out these spreads and setting the mood and my intentions for the month ahead. I feel like it sets me up well for the month and helps me live more intentionally. Hope you enjoyed planning with me. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.